Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your digital pass membership card on the Priority Pass app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your digital membership card because you left yours at home and you're trying to get into an airport lounge. How do you actually go ahead and find it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is download the Priority Pass app. Now, once you download this app, you want to go ahead and log in, and then this is what your login screen is going to look like. Next, click on card on the bottom hand corner, and then this is going to be your digital membership card for Priority Pass. So this is what you could actually go ahead and show to the attendant so that you can get into lounges and such. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your digital membership card on the Priority Pass app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.